Welcome back to Intables, everyone. So the market did pull back yesterday as we did have a lot of Fed speaking about possible balance sheet runoffs. We did have a pullback in pre-market, losing most momentum in the market. And as you guys can see, going into Fed minutes, we did have a pullback. We had a spike and then we had a pullback, and we are overall consolidating. Now looking to see if we can either continue on with bullish momentum or possibly continue on down. I'm going to go over exactly what our leading indicator is on the daily chart so you guys can see what we're looking for to have a bounce back. And if we do continue on down below this indicator, then we could be continuing on down. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Then I'm going to go over NEGG, a nice breakout that we had in the Intables room at the end of the day, how exactly we could have been watching this for a possible continuation, and what exactly gave us confirmation on this breakout at the end of the day. Now, before I jump into this, all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that I mention every single day throughout the week. And again, if you guys are day traders or you guys are looking for intraday perspective breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. And only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. Now, jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the S&P 500, as you guys can see, we are pulling back today, leading into Fed minutes, and as you guys can see, we bounced exactly off of our 20-day moving average. We have been looking to see if we can respect it, because if we can respect our 20, as we are crossing above our 50, then that could give us a major bullish move if we do jump back over our 462 level that we did come up to and got rejected at after a 2-week rally that we had. So the question is, are we going to continue on with this momentum to the upside, or are we going to possibly cool down and drop below our 20-day moving average? Now, looking at our volume here, as you guys can see, we have a smaller increase in sell volume. Even though we did have a major pullback from our major run up, we actually have less volume than we had on our pullback, which means we are not overcommitted to the downside quite yet. We are going to be looking to see if we are going to increase in sell volume going to tomorrow, or we could possibly bounce back. We will be looking to see if we can reclaim 450, and if we can reclaim 450, we will be looking for our continuation on past 462 for that stronger momentum to the upside. That is what we'll be looking for, is to make sure we can continue to respect our 20-day moving average here on the daily chart. Again, we will be digesting these Fed minutes going to this week. If we do continue on down, then we will be looking to see if we can hold 435. But again, looking for that break over 450 and then over 462 to have a bounce back. Now, jumping over to NEGG with you guys again, NEGG, NEGG had a major breakout at the end of the day, and I wanted to show you guys exactly what gave us a major breakout. As you guys can see, we do have our 20 that is just looking to see if we can cross back over our 50. So we'll keep an eye on NEGG for any continuation momentum. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here on the 5-minute to have a continuation. As you guys can see on the 5-minute chart, we did continue on into higher highs. We did mention this one at about $7.20, and as you guys can see, we broke all the way up to $9.16 on the day. As you guys can see, we had our 20-day moving average still over our 50, just like we're looking for on the SPY to continue to respect, and we did drop down below it. But however, as you guys can see, we continue to respect our 50. We still had our 20 over our 50, showing us that we still could continue. And as you guys can see, as we did come up, we started to respect our 20-day moving average, and we got that increase in volume, and did mention this one on breaking into higher highs, and sure enough had that continuation as well. And as you guys can see, at the end of the day, we were bouncing off of our 20, so we will keep an eye on NEGG. We do need to break over our $10 psychological resistance, in my opinion, to have that continuation up. If we do not continue on past $10, then in my opinion, we're just going to get rejected into new highs leading into 10. So again, that would be a higher risk play. I want to see if we can get confirmation volume over our $10 level. And as you guys can see, we have our increase in buy pressure that we had today on that continuation on up. And as you guys can see, we broke just above our previous buy pressure points. So we're looking to see if we can break above our momentum that we had at the end of the day, jumping all the way up to $9.16. Again, a very nice run that we had in the Intables room. And again, like I said, if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. Again, if you are not watching charts, I definitely recommend that you do not join the Intables room. And again, all of you Instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel every single day, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys. We will continue to go at it. We will let the market digest and look for exactly which levels we do hold, so that way we can get that momentum that we're looking for. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help with the refinement, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.